Hello everyone. You're here because you're wondering why your pancakes always sucks. That's because you likely have a skill issue. But don't worry, I'm here to show you how to make the best pancakes you've ever seen. But, before we start, we need to cosplay this guy. And don't ask any questions. Just do it. Now we are ready. We'll need a recipe book, from which we will take the ingredients. Joke. Only idiots read books. We're going to use our brains. So, we need 3 eggs, from hens from virgin fields. Can you? Come on. Flour, milk, sugar, and if we want, we can add some cinnamon. We will use the rule of 3. So, we need a bowl, into which we will pour 3 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of sugar, cinnamon, but be careful, cinnamon irritates the nostrils, 3 eggs. Remember to throw away eggshells. Delicious. And finally 3 cups of milk. Now we mix everything together. Why does it have to be so sticky? Now we can add some ketchup. Now we can start frying. Take a frying pan and put it on a large burner. Now, carefully pour only a little bit of oil. Just a little. Heat the pan and spread the oil. Shake your body, the pan. Pour the dough. And spread around. And we wait until one side is brown. Then we turn the pancake. The first one is done. Now we repeat the whole process until everything is fried. In the meantime, we can try our pancakes. Great, but it would be better with ketchup. When everything is done, we can finally serve them with sugar, applesauce, sour cream or everything we want. But I prefer ketchup. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your beautiful and tasty pancakes. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video and subscribe my channel for more cooking tutorials. See you next time.